today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, breaking news. The main reason why Bitcoin was pumping today, yesterday, and even last week were all of these ETF rumors, right? And especially today and yesterday, it was because the Bitcoin ETF was listed. It was listed actually. And that of course solidified all of the speculations of a Bitcoin ETF being approved rather sooner than later. Right now, news is breaking. I want to make this video as possible. I am breaking the news here 3 minutes ago. The Bitcoin ETF has vanished from the list. You can see it right here. I did post on Twitter. I did post the source down below. You can fact check it yourself. This is crazy, guys. This is breaking news. The question now is, does this mean the ETF is not coming? Or are we all getting way too excited, way too fast? I told you yesterday in the live video, don't get too excited too fast. I think it doesn't make sense if the ETF is just getting accepted so early on in the bull market. Doesn't mean that it's not gonna be like this. Maybe tomorrow it's back on the list. But this just shows we should not get too excited. We should not throw our life savings into long positions just because a potential Bitcoin ETF approval. It shows furthermore that, well, Cointelegraph posted it and then it didn't happen. Then now suddenly this appears on the list and now it disappears. Let's just lean back and wait for the fact to actually come true. That is what I wanted to tell you. And yes, Bitcoin is already reacting a little bit to that. I mean, not too crazy, but I just want to tell you, please, use a little bit of caution right now. It is always possible we are going back for another retest. It is always possible the market is overreacting to these news, to these kind of, not denial news, but of course to the Bitcoin ETF being removed from that list. Just be a little bit careful, just be a little bit mindful. And what am I doing with my multi-million US dollar trade right now? Well, let's talk about that. Before I'm doing that, before I'm showing you what exactly I'm doing with it, what my price targets are and everything, I am here on the rooftop of the Marina Bay Sands. I wanted to urge you, please go down below, like, comment, subscribe, make as much noise for the algorithm as possible. I do want to see as many likes as possible. I am coming to you twice already today, and I did a live video yesterday, and I'm gonna push more and more content towards you if I continuously see this feedback here coming. That's all I'm asking for. Just a like, just a comment down below, and if you want to share the video, even more beautiful. And yes, you can see my trades are still open. The Bitcoin trade 1.66 million US dollars in a profit, the Ethereum trade 87,000 US dollars in a profit, so still 1.75 million US dollars in a profit. I am going to keep this trade open even if we break lower to 30,000. I don't really care about that. I opened it at 17,000. My average buying price is 21,900. So of course that doesn't change anything. And the ETF was not the reason for me to open the trade to begin with. If you open a trade somewhere around these areas because of the ETF, well, if I was you, I would definitely go out of the trade. Not that the ETF is not coming, but the ETF itself is not a reason to open a trade. That is my point of that video. Be careful, stay safe in terms of your portfolio, of course. And yeah, we are going to see each other very soon at the next one. By the way, I leave a link down below, 30,000 US dollars in the very first comment. Click register deposit. If you want to claim it, beautiful. You can get it ready and you can get the 30,000 US dollars in free money ready for your next trade, up to 30,000 US dollars as well. Pin comment, video description. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, guys, as always, bye.